Imagine you are building a server with Node.js and someone tells you that you do not need any external library to start doing serious backend work because Node already ships with powerful built-in modules called core modules. These core modules are the backbone of Node.js, and they allow you to work with files, paths, operating systems, networks, and even create servers without installing a single package from npm. One of the most important modules is the FS module, which stands for File System. This module lets you read files, write files, update content, delete files, and even stream large files efficiently. Whenever your application needs to store logs, read configuration files, upload user data, or manage static resources, the FS module is doing the heavy lifting behind the scenes. Next comes the Path module, which helps you handle and transform file paths correctly across different operating systems. Instead of hard-coding slashes or worrying about Windows and Linux path differences, the Path module safely builds paths, extracts file names, extensions, and directories, making your code portable and clean. Then we have the HTTP module, which is the reason Node.js became famous for backend development. This module allows you to create a web server from scratch, listen to requests, send responses, and handle routing logic. Before frameworks like Express existed, developers used the HTTP module directly to build servers, and even today Express internally depends on it. Another essential module is the URL module, which helps parse URLs into meaningful parts such as hostname, path, query parameters, and protocol. When your server receives a request like a search query with parameters, the URL module helps you extract and process that information easily. Alongside it is the query string module, which is used to convert query parameters into JavaScript objects and vice versa, making it easier to handle form data and URL parameters. The OS module gives your application information about the operating system it is running on, such as CPU architecture, memory usage, user information, and network interfaces. This becomes very useful when you want to monitor system health or optimize your app for different environments. Then comes the Events module, which introduces the concept of event-driven programming. Node.js heavily relies on events, and this module allows you to create custom events, listen for them, and trigger actions when those events occur. This is fundamental for understanding how Node handles asynchronous operations. Another powerful module is the Stream module, designed to handle large data efficiently by processing it in chunks instead of loading everything into memory. Streams are widely used in file reading, writing, and even network communication. The Buffer module is also important, as it allows you to handle binary data directly. Whenever you deal with images, videos, or raw data packets, buffers are used internally to manage that data. The Crypto module provides cryptographic functionalities such as hashing, encryption, and decryption, which are essential for securing passwords, tokens, and sensitive data. For working with child processes, Node offers the Child Process module, which lets you run system commands or other scripts from within your application, useful for automation and background tasks. The Timers module provides functions like set timeout, set interval, and set immediate, which control asynchronous execution timing. Lastly, the Net module allows you to create TCP servers and clients, forming the foundation for network communication beyond HTTP. Together, these core modules form the foundation of Node.js development. They allow you to build servers, manage files, handle data streams, interact with the operating system, and create secure, scalable applications without relying on external dependencies. Understanding these modules deeply is what separates a beginner Node developer from a confident backend engineer, because once you master them, you realize that most npm packages are simply abstractions built on top of these core modules.